So we have an Audi A5 here today with the fault code for coolant temperature sensor 1. The sensor is it's reading the default lowest value of minus 40 degrees when it's plugged in. Now I currently have I have the system, I have the scan tool obviously plugged in there, and we're connected looking at live data. And there's battery support there supplying the car with enough power, and I have a decade box here, a resistance box connected up to the plug there for the coolant temperature sensor 1. And when I plug it in, we should see the minus 40. There's about 1,000 ohms there set on it currently, and if I plug the decade box in, our figure here has changed to 44 degrees. It's a more plausible figure, and it tells us that that we're able to control the signal going to the computer, and that we're getting plausible figures. So if I add 1,000, we say if I add 100 ohms to the on the decade box here, we should see the temperature sensor, the temperature reading go down a little bit, and it's down to 42. Now it's 39 with another 100. So we know that our wiring and our computer and everything are working properly. It's just that the sensor is faulty. We can prove that now by just unplugging the decade box wires here, and if I can find my sensor, it's plug that back in. We should be back to minus 40 here now, and we are minus 40. So coolant temperature sensor needed, sensor 1.